Word to Kobe, I got 81 flows. When I put it on the floor, they be doing the most.
What is up, YouTube? This is Joel2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we have yet another sneaker review. Man, it's been a minute, and it feels so good to be doing this again, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Bam! We have the Crazy Boost You Wear. These right here are a pair of sneakers I've been waiting for all year. When I mean all year, I mean 2017. Now, Nick Young was actually spotted wearing these on court, and Yeezy Mafia posted them up. I knew I had to get these. So let's go ahead and get right into the sneakers. Woo! Bam! We have the Crazy Boost You Wear, or what the younger kids are calling it nowadays is Crazy BYW. See that? I'm hip, guys. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the review of the sneakers. Right here, as you can see, this is the Crazy Boost You Wear, and this sneaker right here is a really smart sneaker. Now, why do I say it's a smart sneaker? Because Adidas thought this entire design through. But I will tell you guys that they combined so many different fabrics onto this sneaker, and then on top of that, they conformed the Boost sole, and it just made it an overall bang. So on the outside of the sneaker, you're gonna see that it has this very nice wave pattern, and yes, it is designed after the Crazy 8. Was a signature sneaker for Kobe, and as you guys can see, it looks nothing like what it used to, especially having this new Boost sole. They reconstructed and redesigned the entire sneaker from ground up, and I gotta say they did a spectacular job on it. Now, starting on the side of it, you're gonna see that it has a wave pattern going on all throughout it, and one thing that I can tell you guys is that I like that it just changes different kinds of materials. So right here at the bottom, you're gonna see that it kind of has like a suede feeling, and then moving on to the next layer of materials is like a more knitted mesh right here, and then you have this white stitching that connects all the way around the sneaker. And then to finish off at the top, you have a more open mesh right there. I will say that that combining of different meshes and different kinds of materials is really dope, and it's very creative. And as you can see right here is what really sells this sneaker is the Boost sole. Now, this Boost sole is very different. Now, you see all kinds of Boost sneakers that are just flat. Even the Yeezys, they're just flat with those little ribbons at the bottom or the rubber sole, and it doesn't really speak, you know, creativity or different. This does right here. Adidas might have taken some of the design features of those Vapor Maxes that Nike made, and Adidas said, you know what, we're gonna put Boost in here, but kind of make it like the Vapor Max, but not really. Now, right here on the toe of the sneaker, you're gonna see that it has like a ribbeted pattern with some kind of material I'm not too sure about. Now, at the very tip of the toe, you're gonna see right here on the rubber, it's gonna be a logo that looks like a foot. Moving upwards from the toe, you're gonna see that the material continues to change from this ribbeted material to a more closed mesh to an open mesh, and then it goes to the tongue, which has like a nubuck suede, which I think creates that premium feel to it. Moving on the inside of the shoe, you're gonna see that the Boost really divides in between three, and I think this is what really sold me on the sneakers was this whole division of Boost, and I thought it was the dopest idea. And then right here, you're gonna see that there's a plastic division. I believe it's to give it stability for your feet. One thing that I will point out about the sneaker that I thought was a very bad idea was the lace loops. I can already see that it's kind of ripping out of the material, and that's one thing I will tell you guys is to be very careful when you're tying your shoe too tight. Now, moving on to the back, you're gonna see that there's this pull tab. I don't even know if you want to even call it that, but there's like a pull tab right here. Again, I wouldn't trust pulling all your weight on this thing. Now, moving to the bottom of the sneaker, you can see right here, I did wear them so I can tell you guys how comfortable they are. Right here, you can see how the Boost is dividing. It kind of has like a nice little pattern, and the reason why they did this was so that you can feel each movement in your step. And right there is like a plastic so it can have some kind of stability when you're walking. Having the division of all the sole really helps when you're walking because your foot is able to move and contort around in the shoe, and it's really important and was a very smart idea because look at how flexible it is. So when you're taking a step, it's not that stiff flat all the way throughout the sneaker where it's eventually going to get tired around here and somewhere around here. It's moving, it's flexing, and I think that this is probably one of the best features of the shoe is this whole Boost sole. And right there on the back of the rubber sole, you're gonna see that it has the Adidas Originals logo. Now, overall, guys, I definitely recommend these sneakers, and I had an opportunity to walk in these, and I gotta tell you guys that it is very comfortable. It is awkward at first, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. it was awkward at first and it wasn't that comfortable, and your foot conforms to this new system, you're really gonna love these because they are stupidly comfortable. If you guys can get your hands on these sneakers, I definitely recommend it. These now are my favorite silhouettes from Adidas, and I cannot wait for more colorways to drop because I will be adding them to the collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Adidas boys, we don't do no swoosh. Out.
Word to Kobe, I got 81 flows. When I put it on the floor, they be doing the most. Bigging up Pakistan, what's the line of my bros?